Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust all the picture settings. So at first you have to click on the back of your monitor on this menu button and click on this again. Here, as you can see, we have the picture adjustments, and now with the plus and minus button we can move around our menu. As you can see here, we have contrast, brightness, overdrive, advanced contrast, echo, blue light reducer and black tuner. Here we have the gamma. So to modify any setting we have to click the menu button on the setting, and with the plus and minus we can increase or decrease the values with the contrast, brightness, overdrive. We can OK and set it to off, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, off. And apart from that we have advanced contrast. We can enable or disable advanced contrast, eco mode, blue light reducer, black tuner and gamma. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.